You found an old photograph somewhere in your home, and when you look at it, maybe you don't know who is it, or perhaps you don't know them, but there is something that is like the photo is speaking to you. What I want to tell you today is this. It is very possible that your ancestors are trying to communicate with you through this tool. This is not superstition. This is pure epigenetic. And when we work with family constellation therapy, this becomes a powerful instrument for healing. And today, I'm going to share with you a practice so you can channel that ancestral information and receive the message your ancestor need you to hear. I am Alejandra Leon, licensed psychologist in Europe and healer practitioner, creator of the Lion Healed Method, where we integrate transpersonal psychology, family constellation therapy, and shamanic energy healing into one complete system for root causes healing. What do you need for this practice? First, a photograph. It could be all black and white or something that you printed, any photo that calling to you. Second, a glass of water, just plain water. And third, a candle. This will help us to clarify and activate the sacred space. So let's find a quiet space, a space where you can be intentional. Light the candle with this clear intention. It's like I want that this candle bring light and clarity to this moment. Then we are going to put an intention in our water. This is so important because when we are doing rituals or ancestral work, so here is what we do. Hold the glass water at your heart level, close your eyes and connect with your intention. The intention of clarity maybe, or receive these kind of messages that you need to receive to maybe. Take your photograph, position so it facing towards your heart. Place your right hand on the photo, your left hand supporting it, holding it. And now close your eyes. And here comes the most important part, the asking. State your intention clearly, whatever words feel right for you. Like, help me to receive the message you have for me. Oh, help me to hear with clarity. What do you need to tell me? What I need to know about you? What message have you been waiting to share? And wait. Stay present. Feel connect. Here is something really important. The way that we receive our message matters because not everyone receives information in the same way. Some people are very visual. You might see images, photographs, memories like the little movies playing behind your closed eyes. Some people are auditory. You might hear words, phrases, voices, whisper. And some people are more kinesthetic, meaning that you receive through your body. You may feel warm or cold, tingling, energy moving. And it's important to know which channel do you receive through. Actually, if you don't know yet, this exercise will show you. So notice and please comment below. And remember that the message might arrive as a word or phrases. Or suddenly, when your eyes are closed, images appear, photographs, the sense, memories you didn't even know you had. Or something shifts in your body, a sensation, a feeling, an emotion. This is all valid. All of this is information. And after this practice, write everything down, everything that came to your mind. Sensation, emotion, word, phrases, images. Don't think, don't put logic on this. Just write. And just let the information flow. Let it land on the page, let it integrate. And here is the final step. Take the water you have activated with intention. Place it on your nightstand next to the photograph of your ancestor. Why? Because when we sleep, we enter in the dream world, and the dream world is where our ancestor can meet us mostly clearly. The water will support that connection. It will help to receive visitation dreams. That is the that is the name, Visitation Dreams. And it will open the door to communicate with your ancestors through the language of dream. If this information has resonated with you, if you feel something, please comment below, photo, or share your experience doing this ritual, this practice. Maybe you are one of those people who found a photograph and thought, now what I do with this? Why it calling to me? And I'm waiting for you at alejandraleon.com. Let's work together to heal at the roots.